In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your study materials into a clear, visual overview that helps you learn faster and remember more. First, get your content into NotebookLM. Open the app and create a new notebook or open one you've already started. Then look for the Add Source button and upload the materials you want to map. You can bring in PDFs, your notes, or Google Docs. The quality of what you upload makes a big difference. Clean, well-structured documents with clear headings, short paragraphs, and accurate text will produce a much better mind map. If your notes are messy, consider tightening them up before adding them. If you're using Google Docs, make sure you have access permissions set correctly so NotebookLM can read them. Keeping related materials together in the same notebook also helps the tool find connections. Next, give NotebookLM a moment to process your sources. You'll usually see a brief processing status. The time depends on how large your files are and how many you've added. Don't rush this part. Wait until everything shows as fully processed before asking questions or generating anything. When processing is complete, your notebook is ready to build from, and you'll get the most accurate results. Now you're ready to create the structure that becomes your mind map. In the chat or prompt area, simply ask, "Create a mind map from this document." If you prefer, you can also use the mind map option available on the right side of the interface. NotebookLM will scan your sources and produce a hierarchical outline that captures the main topics, subtopics, and key relationships. Think of this outline as the backbone of your mind map. It organizes the big ideas first, then breaks them into smaller, connected points so you can see the flow at a glance. Finally, refine the structure to make it clearer and easier to study. If the outline feels too dense or complicated, ask the model to simplify the structure. You can request shorter labels, clearer groupings, or a more concise hierarchy. Aim for top-level topics that reflect the major themes, with subtopics that are specific but not overwhelming. If something looks out of place, ask for it to be moved under a more relevant heading. A few small adjustments here will dramatically improve readability and help your mind map reflect exactly how you want to learn the material. That's it. Upload strong sources, let them process, generate the outline, and then simplify. You'll have a focused mind map ready to review, share, or build on.